Hello.
Yes, hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. I am
You are you are
his father.
outside? Yeah, you are. That's my student's father.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mit Mr. is my son.
Your son? Yeah, where is your son right now?
My coach. Please wait me.
Okay, sure.
Gọi cho mẹ đó, mẹ soi con đi. Chị bấm trả lời thôi mà.
Sir, I will just call again, okay?
Hi teacher.
Yes?
Uh, can you recall?
Yes, yes, I will just call
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Uh,
you. Oh,
my son I've joined.
yeah, he joined now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he joined now, sir. Hello, can you hear me, dear? Hello. Hi, can you hear teacher? You're so cute. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hi. Ah, okay. Good evening, by the way, to you and to your mommy. How are you today? How are you? Hmm? Yeah, you can talk. How are you today? Are you good? Okay. So by the way, my name is Teacher Jessa. Can you hear me well? Can you hear teacher well? Okay. Yeah. So dear, what's your name? Yeah, just make your voice loud. What is your name again? Oh, why is it I can't hear you well? Okay. So, how old are you? How old are you? You are? How old are you? 6, 7, 6. Wow. Can you say, I'm 6 years old? Can you say that? I'm 6 years old. Say it. I'm 6 years old. Years old. Yes, very good. Okay, just don't be shy. Don't be shy. Okay. What is your favorite animal? Teacher likes cats. I like cats. How about you? Do you like dogs? Dogs. Do you like dogs? Yes or no? Go. Yeah. Don't be shy. Do you like dogs? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. Yes. You say yes, teacher.
Con phải nói,
Yes.
con nói đi. Con phải nói là vâng cô giáo ạ chứ không phải nói yes không được chưa? Yes teacher. Cô nói đấy.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, don't be shy to speak. Okay. By the way, let's start. Okay. Teacher will going to share the screen to you now. Wait. Can you see my screen? Can you see this? Yes. Yes. Can you see it? Okay. So let's begin in this one. Okay. So we will have pronunciation here. Okay. So you will going to read. Okay. You're going to read these sentences. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? You say yes, teacher.
Con đã sẵn sàng chưa?
You
Cô
say
bảo là
yes, teacher. Yes. Okay. Make your voice loud, dear. You say yes, teacher.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. So you just speak, okay? So that teacher will give you more claps. Okay, let's begin here. Can you read this one?
đọc đi.
Can you read?
Con có thể đọc từ mà cô chỉ vào đi.
Again. I
Đọc tiếp từ đấy đi.
I come on. Hate. I hate. Come on.
To lên.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Dear, make your voice loud, okay? Teacher can't hear it well. Okay. Again, you say, I hate.
Đọc đi. I hate. Đọc đi.
I
Đọc theo đúng cô đọc ấy.
The. I can't hear. I can't hear. The. Summer. Come on. I can't hear you, dear. Summer. Heat. Heat. Okay. So again. One more time. Can you read? Come on. I hate. Hate. The. Summer. Heat. Okay. Now, how about number 2? Let's try this one.
Đọc lại.
She.
To lên nha.
She. How about this one? No, this one rather, sorry. This one. Bake. And
and
rides.
ride
Bikes.
uh,
Okay. Okay, so you repeat after teacher, okay? She bakes
and
and bikes.
ride
Okay, very good. Next is one.
she
Okay, she opens
and then that
gate
gate
for
for the
that's meh. What's that animal? Meh. The goat. Okay, you say goat. Goat.
goat
Okay. So let's go here. Okay. Um. Okay. So you will going to complete these sentences here. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. There are how many people? How many people? Hello. How many people? How many? How many? One, two, three, or four? How many? Is it two? How many? Let's count. Let's count. One,
Với số tập tiếng Anh ấy.
1, 2, 3, 4
okay, four. There are four people. Okay. Now, where